Here's Nate Johnson. Uy! Ah! Nako, nakahiyaan.
Napaganda.
Oo, napaganda pa. Eto, panoorin natin itong nangyari kanina. On the clear and complete replay brought to you by PLDT NDD para sa masinsinan at malinaw na usapan. Tony Lang to Davon Harp. Harp moving against Dorian Peña. His layup is good. Ang layo ng take-off na yun.
But the important thing is they're able to get into the interior of the San Miguel defense. Yun ang susi dito for Red Bull.
Alam mo, hindi rin masyado pinalalayo ng Red Bull ito sa Miguel. So far, 6-point lead. Although kanina, umabot na ng 11 ito. They've pruned it down to only 6 points at the moment. Ildefonso. Out to Nate Johnson. Napikan niya si Kirby Raimundo but he misses the shot. Davon Harp taps it over to Ato Agustin. Tumatakbo na naman ang batang Red Bull Thunder. Kirby Raimundo binitbit ang bola.
Inabot ni Danny Sigel. Medyo nasupalpal.